Ever since Bitcoin was created, it has died 474 times by the media. In 2017, it died 124 times. Once every 3 days. This year, it's only died 7 times. And here's what I mean. Take a listen to this. This is funny as F. And what that really means is, guys, in a nutshell, is the media don't want you to get rich, okay? Or the media themselves, they don't understand what is going on. And this is the time where you say no. No to the newspapers, no to the articles, no to your mum. Tell you how many times she's told me Bitcoin's dead and it's a waste of your time, you're going to lose all your money. I just bought a McLaren 720S, by the way. I wish I could have paid in crypto, it would have been a good video. But I just bought that, thanks to my DeFi pulls. And we're not even in a bull market. So just understand, and don't follow me. I'm not the smartest guy in the world. Follow the smart money. Because this is high stakes we're about to play. Okay, in the next 30 to 60 days, I expect the next leg up. Mark my words. Okay? And that is according to the 4-year cycle. Because it's not just the technology that drives this market. Yes, AI narratives and all that kind of stuff is cool. It's the heavyweights behind, the guys writing the articles. So here's facts. Major players, hedge funds and institutional investors, okay, with huge influence, they're deploying algorithms that can send shockwaves through the market. E.g., what they do is they scare us. They don't scare me. Okay, I got scared in 2021 and 2022 when this market crashed. I was like, okay, this is actually how you play the game. But whenever I see lows, I go and buy as much as possible. Because what you have is BlackRock. Okay, this dude, can't remember his name, Larry something, I think. Don't quote me on that. The ETF just bought another $20 million. Okay, the big players. Here's an example.
My opinion 5 years ago was wrong. Here's my opinion saying this is what I believe in today. I believe Bitcoin is legitimate. I'm not trying to say there's not misuses like everything else, but it is a legitimate financial instrument that allows you...
Okay, this guy can talk forever. I don't want to bore you, but we follow the people that are smart and have billions and billions of dollars in the game. I'll show you exactly how much his company has, by the way. But they're buying, okay? They're not selling, they're buying. And I'll show you that. The top 10 holders, of course, Satoshi Nakamoto, he could never sell because he's probably dead. So just understand how scarce it is. And this is going back to cryptocurrency. We're not just talking about Bitcoin here, but Bitcoin controls the market. When Bitcoin pumps, Ethereum will go, your Solanas will go, hopefully your ADAs and XRPs and HBARs will go. Crossing my fingers for me and you if you're holding them. And then you get meme coin season that literally, the chart almost goes backwards with how vertical these coins will go. Okay? Binance Exchange, yes, don't really count. BlackRock, the guy that you just spoke and just seen, 347,000 BTC. You've got MicroStrategy, Michael Saylor's company. You've got the US government. Okay? You've got Fidelity. You've got Block One. And you've got many others holding hundreds of thousands. Not in dollars, okay? This is in Bitcoin. The price of Bitcoin is 60k, give or take. You do the maths. You do the maths. So this time around, and this is really what I want to get you guys excited about, let's get fucking excited on this channel, man. Ignore the swearing. I'm not going to bleep it because I don't want to censor myself, okay? You understand. This cycle will repeat. So here's what we know, and we talk about this all the time, and this is just to show you the next 30 to 60 days, okay? So the next 30 to 60 days in the 2017 run, what happened? Exponential growth. Bear market came in. 2021 run that I got involved in. Okay? 30 to 60 days. Leg 2 came up. Where are we right now? We're 4 months in the game after the halving. Let's just say there's some action. Okay? Don't get shaken up by these dips. You buy the dips. And then what I can see is 30 to 60 days. At the time of recording, mark my words, August 17th. It's not going to be perfect. September, October. October is when we should move. It might be November. You might not get enough time. It might be September. And that's the thing about cryptocurrency. Nobody knows. But we can predict 2025 is going to follow this suit. So here's the progress. The halving progress is apparently 8%. Okay? Shout out to this guy. Big guy on Twitter. Give him a follow if you can be bothered. If not, no worries. 30, 60 days. That's what I'm going to be preaching you guys. And this number is getting smaller. Guess what? Every single day. So you get less and less time. Remember, you're not really accumulating Bitcoin if you're a small player. I'm not accumulating Bitcoin. I'm accumulating the large caps, the AI caps, the meme coins I like, and I'm setting myself up. Because I'm not trying to time this market like I tried to do last time. not trying to be cute with this market, trying to buy and sell. No, I'm here for 25. Okay, so here's what we know. What I just told you. 8% after. We actually went down. Okay, and that's what's happening right now. We manipulated and we went down. But the big players behind the scenes are scooping up all this BTC and they're going to drive up the price, and then money is going to flow to these other altcoins. Just screenshot this chart, guys, honestly. And this one's even better, but I think it's Crypto Rover. Shout out him. I think he just bought a new Porsche GTR. Don't you think that's funny how like the guys that have been telling you are all buying new cars? Yes, it's not probably smart. You should probably put that in cryptocurrency, but we're already fully loaded. This guy just bought a new GTRS, I think. I just bought a 720S. Okay? These guys, unlike me, have been telling you to get in the game. Okay? Because there's going to be a lot more cars, if you're into cars, in my garage than just a 720S by 2025. If you don't like cars, that's fine. Just get out the job. Okay? Don't buy everything on a car if you've not got yourself and your loved ones secured. Just bought the girlfriend a Tesla. This new apartment. Didn't pay for it, but I put 12 months down. 50k GBP. It's very expensive. And that's because we're using cryptocurrency to fuel our income. And I want you guys to be able to do that for your loved ones and yourself by 2025. And you've got a great opportunity right now. You've got a great opportunity to buckle down, close down the trading charts, and just say, hey, where are we going in 2025? Don't look at me. Look at BlackRock. Look at Michael Saylor. And then look at your bank balance and go, okay, well, I don't have as much as I would like. Okay, how can I get more money? Can I sell anything? If you can't, okay, there's always stuff. I guarantee you've got a couple $1,000s worth of stuff that you'd never use. Get rid of that PlayStation. Get rid of that Netflix account. Get rid of that Amazon Prime subscription. Buy it all back in 25, bro. Because I promise you, every single $100, it sounds like nothing, but if you chip away at something, you'll be surprised how much money you can get by 25. Because it's not the dollar value you put in today, it's the dollar value by 2025. So the chart right now, I'm not going to give you trading charts. You can use the GG gauge in your community, and this GG gauge has been printing. It called the sell-off here. It called another buy opportunity on Bitcoin. It called this. Don't you think this GG and the shout out Bobby? He created this GG indicator. He made it a little bit better. Called the sell-off perfectly. Now, I'm not here to show you this GG gauge because I don't want you to just to buy something just because I'm telling you to buy something. That's not what this channel is about. It's about setting yourself up and telling you where we're going. To somebody that got wrecked in 2021 that sees all the scars, all the bruises, all the misfortune. It's in the game. I've got them. I'll go back to my channel. You'll see me lose big time. And it takes a lot of lessons and a lot of courage to come back in the game. And buy a McLaren 720S in cash, by the way. No finance, in cash. It's very difficult to do that. Okay? So just understand. Yes, we had a wick down to here, but what I can see is the potential lows. Yes, we could go down further. Of course. If big newspapers start printing articles and then you hear some FOMO or FUD, what happens is you could get an exponential downwards of just retail just shitting the bed. So we can always go lower. But what we do know, if we draw this trend line here, what we can see is at about the 53k mark, this dip has been bought back. You can see we skiffed it here, it immediately got back, bought up, literally on the second. Okay, same with this one, bought back up. This one a big whoopsie doopsie here, but immediately, if you go and look at the charts on the hourly, this was bought back up immediately. Then we skiffed it again. So lowest potential, we can obviously go less, is 54,000. So if you're not buying, and this is just Bitcoin, again, use this to your altcoins, draw a chart where you can see sort of lines. We can maybe do that on other videos if you want me guys to do it, drop it in the comments. But if this is the lowest risk scenario, let's just give or take. So let's just say you want to buy Bitcoin again. I would buy other stuff, but let's just say lowest case of right now is 59, and if we go down to 50, whatever we said, 54, that's about, I think, quick maths, 17%. Okay, you don't have to be good at maths, by the way, about cryptocurrency, right? You get active income, you make a lot of money, and then you write it up. That's something funny about all these school teachers. They're not buying cryptocurrency, they will in the bull run. Oh, Jake, I see you bought a 720S. You used to get no grades in my math class. How did you do it? Can I buy Bitcoin at 120k? I'm like, no, you're too late, bro. You're too late. So 17%, let's just say, is your worst case scenario. Remember, you hodl. Okay, so even if we dipped on here, you come back, next paycheck's in, and we buy this as much as possible. Get a second lifeline, get to DCA lower, get more coins for your dollar value. But the upside is crazy. You bring this chart out to really see, you're talking 100k, you're talking 120k, and this is on Bitcoin. Remember the other coins, you're talking way more multipliers. Again, Bitcoin doesn't really make sense if you got 10 grand. Right now it's a waste. I guess it'd be nice to go 10 grand to 20 grand and you'll do that in Bitcoin. You will probably hit 100, 120k. You'll probably get a lot more higher if we get a blow off top. But that's a good return. But if you do that on your Ethereums, your Solanas, your ICPs, your Renders, your Brets, whatever other coins you're holding, then you're looking at 10, 20, 30x's potential. It depends how far you go down the market caps. So for me, the risk/reward ratio of us potentially hitting 54, potentially going lower, as I said, don't quote me and saying, oh, Jake, you said we'd go to 54 lower. I'm telling you right now, we could go lower. Okay, so don't fucking quote me and say, oh, because we can't quote it, bro. But the potential upside is massive, man. Massive. And if you're sitting right now and just saying, oh, let me just wait for this 54k or 40k because some guy said we could crash there, I would really ask yourself, what if we don't get that? And what if it's just chilling? You're just chilling. You're saying, okay, we're going to get that. And what if we just do this? And then what happens is you're just fumbling to get back in. And you realize in the next 3, 6, 9 months, you're getting way less coins for your GBP, your dollar, your Canadian currency, whatever you guys are in. You're getting way less coins and your bull run will be wasted. Wasted. So it's a bit of urgency. Act now and be rewarded later. And it's not even a long wait, man. It's not even a long wait. If you look at most other markets in the game, you have to wait decades before you can get these kind of returns. You really, really do. So that's all I got. Peace.